My name is Louann Bronstein. I'm a partner with HunterMaclean, Savannah office, and I'm chair of the firm's corporate law group. Today I would like to give you an overview of the Corporate Transparency Act. It was enacted into law on January 1, 2021 as part of the National Defense Act. It's really gotten a lot of attention from the legal community, but I think it seems to have flown under the radar for business people. But it's a significant, groundbreaking act, 13 years in the making, and it's going to have an impact on businesses. So why is this such a significant act? For the first time, it establishes a national database in the U.S. to register businesses. The purpose of the act was to find out the individuals behind shell companies, to go up the chain until you get to an individual. And the purpose is to prevent money laundering, trafficking, tax evasion, and other illicit activities. But really, it's going to have an impact on small businesses. And here's why. Because businesses must report into the database unless they meet all three of the following criteria. Employs 20 or more full-time employees, filed a tax return, a federal tax return with respect to the previous year that evidences gross revenue in excess of $5 million, and has an operating presence in the U.S. So many small businesses will not be able to meet all three components. So what does that mean? It means the beneficial owner of the business must register into the database. And again, you go up the chain until you get an individual that owns 25% or more of the business. And those individuals must enter their name, date of birth, street address, and other identifying numbers such as driver's license or passport into the database. So what's the timing on this? It really depends on when the Treasury enters its regulations. It could be at any time, but the Treasury must enter the regulations by January 1, 2022. As soon as the regulations are entered, existing businesses have 2 years to register in the database, but new businesses must register immediately. And the federal government is serious about this, as evidenced by significant monetary penalties and jail time or both for businesses that fail to register. To learn more about the Corporate Transparency Act, please feel free to contact me, and you can find me at HunterMaclean.com.